So hey guys, Rajat back here with another unboxing video, and today I have with me this Canon 3000D, which my friend recently bought from Flipkart.com. So that's how the Flipkart packaging looks like. Um, it's completely bubble wrapped, keeping up the cardboard aside and removing this bubble wrap. We have the camera box, and we get the camera bag as well. So that's how the box looks like. It comes with one kit lens, that is 18 to 55, and my friend got it for 23,000 rupees. That's fairly cheap. So this is a entry level camera from Canon in this category, and that's how the bag looks like, the standard Canon bag. So yeah, you can keep a body and about two lenses in it. Now let's keep that aside and have the look at the box, removing the seal and looking inside. First thing we get is the user booklet, which says Rebel T100 or the US 3000D. Then we get the camera strap, the generic Canon strap, nothing new here. Then we get some warranty related stuff. That's the warranty card with model and serial number of the cameras. And finally we get the 16 GB SanDisk SD card. That's how it looks like. It's the Ultra and comes with really good speeds. So yeah, it's good thing Canon is bundling it within the box. Then we get the standard Canon battery. This is the same that is used in 1300D and 1200D. So yeah, keeping it aside. Then we have the cable for the charging adapter. This is that 2-pin connector. And this is the lens. Let's first have a look at the adapter. Again, it's the same with two LED signals for charge and full. Yeah, so now let's have the look at the lens. This is the 18-55 image stabilized, but it does not come with STM motor. It's the standard lens. So yeah, that's the lens that comes with Canon's what we say budget friendly cameras. So now keeping that aside also and having a look at the body. That's the body, completely bubble wrapped and secure. So first impression, the body seems good in hand for this price point. And that's how the rear looks like. There aren't too many buttons, just as a simple layout. Now fixing the lens. And finally popping in the battery and the SD card. So it chooses the same tray, and that's the 3.5mm thread at the bottom also. And Yeah, to turn it on we have to rotate that dial, which has all the modes: manual, aperture, priority. So yeah, there's only one dial on top, and that's the live view shooting. And the focusing is good, only nothing that impressive. So yeah guys, that's I guess pretty much it for this quick unboxing and overview of this camera and how to set it up for first time use. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.